the CDX Enterprise Edition from PDSG. The CDX Enterprise Edition product suite provides the full array of design and runtime components for your SOA Enterprise. At the core is the CDX Enterprise Platform server. For Designtime, the CDX Exchangebuilder is included in the package. Add to this as many CDX adapters required, or the AdapterPlus can be added as optional components. Lastly, the CDX Portal environment is also included, providing a secure data sharing environment secured with the GFIPM security framework. The heart of the CDX Enterprise Edition is the CDX 4.0 Enterprise Platform server. It's a highly scalable and standards-based SOA platform. It's composed of 3 essential and configurable runtime components: the CDX Message Router, which provides enterprise-wide SOA communication; the CDX Message Broker provides intelligent processing and workflows; and the CDX Adapter Framework, which provides meaningful connectivity to the legacy systems in your enterprise. The CDX Enterprise Portal represents the individual user's access to enterprise data sharing. Secured for users using GFIPM, the CDX Portal provides single sign-on access to numerous systems and services, such as federated queries, subscription and notification, and interagency communication and collaboration. All services and data made available through the CDX Portal is secured, and all access to the portal is controlled using GFIPM. But just what is GFIPM? GFIPM is the Global Federated Identity and Privilege Management Specification. GFIPM from Global uses NEAM metadata for security and privacy enforcement for role-based access control, using the justice credentials and certification of its users. And it's the required framework for joining the National Information Exchange Federation. Let's look at how GFIPM works. Here, an enterprise user on the left is requesting data from another federation agency that has made an information service available to other agencies, shown on the right. When the service provider receives the data request, it needs to determine the identity and credentials of the data requester. To do so, the provider sends a GFIPM request for authentication to a trusted Federation identity provider, which all Federation agencies trust and use. The GFIPM identity provider will either request the user's authentication information or direct the user to authenticate as required. Combining this event data with the stored credentials for the user, the GFIPM identity provider creates and sends a unique GFIPM assertion, including both the identity authentication of the requesting user and that person's registered authorization credentials. The data provider uses this credential to compare it to their own GFIPM access policy for the data or service that's been requested. If approved, access permission is granted, and the requesting user can now enter that service or be allowed to access that data in the service that's approved for their justice role or credentialing.